Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, today we've got Sweet Mama's Waffles. All right, to make this, we got to mix our dry ingredients, which consist of 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to give them just a quick mix. About that much time. Then we're going to add 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of buttermilk. And then we're going to be adding 2 eggs to our mix. Large eggs, to be specific. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of canola oil. If you don't want to use canola oil, you can use veggie oil, peanut oil, any of those types of oils, and you should be fine. Then we want to start our mixer, first on a fairly slow speed, and then we're going to speed it up as we go along. You can see here I'm going a little bit faster. Basically, you just want to go till all the lumps and everything are out. You got a nice, smooth, silky batter. All right, then as you can see here, I've got my waffle maker. I sprayed it off with some cooking spray. And then it's time to add some waffle batter, about 2 ladlefuls or so. Put the top on, spin it over, and give it a couple of minutes to cook. This is a Belgian-style waffle maker. If for whatever reason you don't have one, just use a regular waffle maker. It's perfectly fine. And through the magic of cooking show editing, our waffle is done. Nice and toasty brown. Last thing to do is just add some maple syrup. And that's it. So Sweet Mama Waffles. Done.